Welcome to Home Farm. Today I'm going to be unpacking my new Purofort Plus boots from Dunlop. I'm really excited today that I've got my new boots because my previous pair from Hunter have cracked and sprung leaks everywhere. So it was important that I got myself a pair of heavy duty wellies that can see us through our winter jobs across our small holding and keep my feet warm and dry. I ordered these online. I've not actually tried them on before. We went purely off reviews. They get very good reviews, and I can see why. When you actually look at the boot itself, it looks very durable, it looks very well made, it feels heavy duty. So this is the non-safety Purofort boot. The non-safety refers to the fact that it doesn't have a steel cap, and the Purofort refers to the actual insulation that's inside the boot. Even though we're on a small holding, I'm only going to be using this boot for gardening tasks, which is why I didn't opt for the safety model. It says that it has a protected toe cap and midsole, which should give it a greater level of durability and should make it very good for general gardening tasks. So the boots are a dark green color, they're a mid-calf. What I like about them is that the actual hole where you put your foot through is quite loose, it's quite big. So putting the boots on is quick and easy. I've had boots in the past that are quite narrow, so it's a bit of a struggle to get your foot in. That's not the case with these ones. It says outstanding comfort and durability for the demanding farmer. So if it's good enough for farmers, it'll probably be good enough for me. As a quick run through of the features, they're waterproof, they're anti-static, energy absorbing, they've got cold insulation, anti-slip, resistant to hot contact, and they're also oil resistant. So I'm going to start wearing these boots as of today, and I'll let you know what they're like in a couple of weeks. So I've been using the Dunlop Purofort boots for the better part of 2 months during the height of the winter, and so far I've been very impressed. I typically go down to our vegetable garden quite a lot. When you go down there, the land can get quite sodden and quite wet and quite slippery. The tread on this boot is actually really good, and at no point in time when I have actually gone down have I felt like I was going to slip or slide with this boot. So generally, I would recommend these boots to friends and family. The price point we paid, I think £53 for these boots. I think that's a really good price point, and they are as good, if not better, than the boots that I've just replaced, which were the ones from Hunter. They are really comfortable, they're a good fit, and they're also very easy to get on and off. As these boots are unisex, we'll look at getting Kirsten a pair too, because her Hunter boots have also begun to split. I hope that you have found this video useful and interesting, and that it's given you some additional insights into these Dunlop Purofort Wellington boots. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching.